Maxbhi.com. This name is very popular among the mobile repairing forum or mobile repairing shop. From Maxbhi.com, you can order spare parts or repairing parts or the mobile phone parts like motherboard, loudspeaker, earpiece, screen, battery, everything from Maxbhi.com. So in this particular video, I am going to give you the real review and I'm gonna show you, is this website is safe to order mobile parts, is this good, is this bad, how it's return and refund policy, how it's customer support, what is your customer satisfaction from this website, quality of the product, and overall I'm gonna give you the real review and biased review of Maxbhi.com. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, why I am talking about Maxbhi.com? One of the mobile I had, that is Redmi Note 5 Pro. In this mobile, the loudspeaker or the speaker is getting problematic. So I was finding, so on that time I have no time to go to shop, and moreover I can repair mobile myself. So what I thought, let's order from online. So I searched Amazon and I found that some product was not available. Basically the speaker was not available, and some of the time it is available but 50 rupees higher the price compared to the Maxbhi.com. And I already knew about 2-3 years ago Maxbhi.com is a site where you can get all of the mobile parts. And when I opened Maxbhi.com, it was written that you will get a good quality, top quality, premium quality product from Maxbhi.com. So for the first time I have ordered the loudspeaker of 299 rupees and paid via Paytm. As soon as I paid, the order was confirmed and within 2 or 3 days it was dispatched. So after dispatching, it was dispatched via the Blue Dart courier, and here you can see package was very good. No problem on the package. They packed very carefully. There was bubble wrap, there was thermocol, everything was there. So there is no transit damage or shipping damage. So product reached very securely and carefully to my home. Now the problem starts. First thing I have noticed that it looks like identical to the original loudspeaker of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, but it is slightly 99.9% same, but 1 or 2% there is difference in the physical size or the real plastic size. So that's why it was not fully compatible and it was not fit with my mobile. So first thing, Maxbhi.com said that it is a tested product. They test every product in their lab before shipping out. That is fake. They don't check anything first of all. So that's why they send some incompatible device or incompatible spare parts for my Redmi Note 5 Pro. Next, however, I managed to mount that speaker or the loudspeaker in my mobile, but no sound was coming. So after checking, I found that the lead or the metal parts of the speaker is not directly connecting to the lower electronics device or electronic board connector. So that's why sound was not coming. So what I did, I just pressed with my thumb very forcefully to connect this two layer. Then sound came. But another thing is that when the sound came and volume was 100%, I was getting from the loudspeaker volume like earpiece. So you can understand how the speaker loudness was very much low. When you call via the earpiece call, that kind of maximum volume you can get in your ear with the normal earpiece calling from the mobile, that kind of sound was coming from the speaker. So number 2, Maxbhi.com delivers lower third quality product. I must say they deliver lower quality and third quality product, which is nowhere near the original product and does not do the job. Next, first thing after this kind of thing happen from online shopping, what customer will do? Will go to the website or customer care number and ask for a replacement or refund. So as the same thing I did, I called them and said this kind of problem. They said okay, send me our top view, bottom view, right view, left view, send us image of the product delivered, send your mobile model number. They ask lots of image. If you are doing this thing with Amazon or Flipkart, nobody will ask this kind of question. It is not compatible, not working, they will give you the replacement or refund within 7 or 10 days depending upon the policy. But here Maxbhi.com saying that there will be the 5, 6, 7 days replacement or return policy, but they will ask lots of image. Number 3 points come is ease of use. So this is for the return replacement. This is not an easy website to do. Somehow I wasted my time for taking lots of image and then uploaded and asked for the replacement or refund. Basically I asked for the refund. Now I will talk about one by one about the refund case. But till now I have submitted the image on their website, but I waited couple of days, 3 days, but nobody respond. I called again, they said okay, it will happen very soon, our replacement team are checking for it, but nothing happened. Literally nothing happened. Then after one day again I called them and I forcefully said what is going on, is it picked up or return will happen or not. After forcing them, after call get disconnected, they accepted the return. But again the shocking news, they did not give me refund. Instead they are asking for replacement. Again another thing is come, they will not pick up by themselves. I have to manually send to them. Then I again call back. Then where it is saying that you are not going to pick up my product, so will I get the transit or the return shipping cost refund? They said no. Refund or return shipping cost will bear by the customer. That means I paid 299 rupees and again I have to pay 60 or 80 rupees for the return. From Kolkata to Delhi you have to return it because Maxbhi.com operated from Delhi. So I have to pay the shipping cost and they will not refund it. Moreover, I asked them that if after replacement I get the same kind of problem, defective product, what it will happen. They said again it will be replacement. I was, what is this going on? Again and again I will return the product, I will pay the shipping cost, they will not refund and I will be stuck there. Then I started forcing them to give me a refund, but they did not give me a refund. This one, the comes number 4, that is return or replacement. You have to pay the return shipping cost. That is very bad. If your logistics support or whatever website is not made for the return pickup, okay fine, ask customer to return by the customer themselves, then you after receiving the product refund the shipping cost on basis of the shipping cost shown by the customer in the shipping invoice. So that is very bad. Amazon or Flipkart, when they are not able to pick up your product, they will ask us to return back, and after return back is completed, they will give us the shipping cost via the wallet or in the bank account depending upon the policy of the seller. So that's why Maxbhi.com is not good. Number 5, refund. They are giving replacement, and think logically. They buy this kind of mobile spare parts in bulk in very cheap cost, maybe 30-40 rupees, and they are selling in 300 rupees. So there is huge of profit. And next thing is that when they buy in bulk, all the same product, all the parts, for example here the speaker or the loudspeaker comes from the same seller or manufacturer from the same lot. So there is high chances that same thing will happen again and again, and basically they are not checking anything. They're just saying that we'll check everything, but they are not checking anything. So if you are taking the replacement, again the same problem will happen. So it is better to take a refund, but they are not giving the refund. In this way I argued with them. Upon around 1 week I talked with them, and they are not giving any kind of refund, only replacement. Then I was fed up and let them aside. Just the 300 rupees, okay, keep them aside and let's move on. Like relationship, I decided. But I noticed after some research that not only me, thousands of customers all over the India face the same thing, and Maxbhi.com is cheating with the customer, literally cheating with the customer in daylight. So then I decided, no, I have to stop this by somewhat. Then I called National Consumer Complaint Helpline. You can see the number in the screen, basically the small digit 14404. Very easy to remember. Remember this number, 14404. I called them and said everything in details, what happens from first to last. They take my complaint and give me a docket number. After that, they asked me to email to the Maxbhi support with the docket number, and I asked them that just pick up my product. And even at the last, I was saying that okay, I will pay my shipping cost, because shipping cost in India post around 50 or 60 rupees. So I am saying that okay, I am returning with my shipping cost, just give me refund. They are not giving it. So in this way, I wasted my time and they are playing with me, they are cheating with me. So I complained the National Consumer Care. After complaining to the Consumer Care Forum, they are taking that we are thinking, we are doing this way. They took 2 or 3 days, and the 4th day morning I found that they have initiated the refund without picking up my defective product. As I complained to the Consumer Forum, they give me a refund, but all the customers will not complain to the Consumer Care. So this way, this Maxbhi.com are frauding with the customer, not giving refund and sending defective product. So after this all thing, I got the defective product, but this is no of use, I thrown away. But I got the refund in my Paytm where I paid. So back to source, they refunded me 299 rupees, and this story was ended. So what is the outcome of this video and outcome of this story? Basically, this is not a story, this is the real incident. So the outcome of this, that Maxbhi.com nowhere is a good site. They sell cheap quality product, defective product, and after all, they will not take care of their customer. They just want money. As you receive the product, they will forget you. They will not take care of you. So solution is that for this kind of mobile replacement parts, almost every parts will not available in local market, but just check in the local market first. If it is available, good. If not, go with Amazon or Flipkart. If price is high, slightly high than this Maxbhi.com, okay, fine, go ahead with them, because you will get the buyer protection, where you will get a return or replacement within some certain times. But this Maxbhi.com is very, very, very much below average e-commerce site. So if you ask me what kind of percentage I should give them, I should give them 1 star out of 5 star. Just 1 star because of their good packing. Only for packing they will get 1 star. So that's all in this video. If you already shop from Maxbhi.com, I know you have sometime faced this issue. So do let me know in the comment section, and not only me, let others know in the comment section who will read the comment section, and let them know what kind of fraud happened with you from Maxbhi.com. That's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is helpful, do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. That's all in this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.